In this video, I talk about the world's largest virtual pizza party hosted by Hormel and Scott Wiener's Slice Out Hunger, and I also review the Cups and Crisp pepperoni made by Hormel. Hey, Albert Grande here from pizzatherapy.com. I just found out about this world's largest pizza party that was hosted by Hormel, and I have to give them a shout out. They were just fantastic. They donated $10 for everyone that uploaded a picture to help break the Guinness World Record. Big shout out to Scott Wiener, who hosted the event. He did a great job. And one of the pizzas I made today was with this pepperoni called Cup and Crisp pepperoni. And I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised. I made a pepperoni pizza. I used this pepperoni, and darn if it didn't do what it said it did. It totally cupped. It was like little cups of goodness of pepperoni all over the pizza. And they give you directions. Layer on pepperoni on your pizza, cook hot for greater crisp, and cut, crisp, enjoy. Cup, crisp, and enjoy. And I did. I have to say I was pretty impressed. The taste was there. The taste was very good. I have nothing to do with Hormel. I'm not associated with them in any way. But I want to say I was pretty impressed with this product. I thought it was very, very good. I'll show a picture of the pizza at the end of this video so you see what it looked like. The only thing I would say, which I didn't realize when I made the pizza, was that because it cups, I had all the pepperoni lined up really close. It kind of shrunk a little bit. So next time I make a pizza, I'll add a lot more pepperoni. But the taste was really good. It was not bad. I recommend it. I hope you go and give it a try. That's the Cut and Crisp pepperoni by Hormel. For commercial pepperoni that's available anywhere, I think it was really good and I recommend it. So I think you will find it enjoyable the next time that you make pizza. Here are some pictures of the pizzas I made using Hormel's Cups and Crisp. The Cups and Crisp were great product. I'll definitely be using it again. Big thanks to Hormel for having the world's largest virtual pizza party, and also to the host, Scott Wiener. You did a great job, Scott. Congratulations. You can find Scott at his home at scottspizzatours.com. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll put resources below this video. And also above the video, I'll put a link to what happened the last time Scott and I were in Hawaii together. Until next time, pizza on earth, goodwill to all. If you could show a little pizza love and subscribe,